Hello guys, welcome to the video today. In this video we will build just a simple button using HTML and CSS. Okay, I opened two files, HTML and CSS. Let's start with HTML. We'll open HTML tags and I will give a title and the button. We will design only one button, and it's gonna be a really short video, and we will link our style file, and then let's just see our website. Okay, here's the here. We can see in this site, and let's start the style. We will just gonna center out the button, as you can see. Okay, let's start the button. We will not be needing any border, and the background will be blue, my favorite color, starting from dark blue to light blue from 30 degrees like this, and then we will get radius, background size and font size and some padding here and some cursor too here. As you can see, it's already looking cool, beautiful, and we just need to add animations. Let's add the hover effect. Background position, we will change it, and it's hovered, and background size too. As you can see, it's changing its color. And now we will add the animations and keyframe, starting the start point, and then at 20%, as you can see, it's already looking great, and then 100. Now it's complete. As you can see, it's really good. Okay, this is the end of our video. I hope this video was useful, and press the subscribe button to see more content like this, and Umbrella out. Take care.